everyone, this is our first full stack project called fullWallet. Me and Hu Hui finished it. So for this project, our objective is to design and create a full stack web applications with HTML, CSS, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB for users to saving money. And for this dashboard, user can register and log into their own page, use their own dashboard, and by using this dashboard, they can check how much money or category they spend every single day or every month. And the user can also submit their transactions with categories, budget, and income to our dashboard. The applications will remind user about how much money they left for each month. So from this project, the technology we used for front end is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Google API. For the backend, we use JavaScript, Node.js, Express.js, and Session. And for database, we use MongoDB. And from this full stack project, we learned how to use Google API, how to do registration interception, and how to use Express session and router, and how to rendering the data in the backend to front end, and how to fetch the function to get and store data in MongoDB. The things we're proud of most is that we build the user-friendly applications, and we also implement user authentications about login and register. And we also do load input data to MongoDB. And we fetch the data from MongoDB and rendering it on HTML. So it's a huge achievement. And the struggle we met is that when we apply the data from MongoDB to HTML, so we previously don't have that knowledge, and we, after searching a lot of time and understanding the code, and we finally nailed it. And we also stuck on when we are fetching the data from the front end. So there is a tab error called network error, but this problem is solved by event prevent default. And this is the proof that our backend is run successfully. As you can see, it's the email and password, and for this one is the input categories. That's all. So I'm gonna show you how my application works next. Our home page. So if you don't have any account, you can register. So we just click register and type my name and enter my password, confirm password, and register. And then I use my name, enter my password, and log in. So this is my dashboard, the main dashboard. So as you can see, here is ZeroWise, my username's wallet, and here is the tag that said ZeroWise welcome, and here is my spending dashboard. And from this little pig, you can see the monthly budget I have is $3,000, and here is my goal. So I inputted as a string, and you can put it like I want to buy a big house, and that definitely works. And this is the cute reminder about how much money I left this month. So I still have a lot of money left, as you can see. And from here you can see this is a cute pie chart about the expenses for each categories. For me, my rent is the yellow dot, and I spend 80% on my rent. And this is the area line chart. So x-axis is about like the date, so 2022 October 1st, and the y-axis is the daily expense. As you can see, different on different day I have different transactions For here, I pay the rent, so it's pretty high. And so this is my main dashboard. And now I'm going to my edit profile page. I can put my income per month, and I can edit my budget per month and change my goal. For example, I want a big house and submit the form, so the change will update in the dashboard page. Transaction page, so it's a table, and you can see this is my transactions this month. This column is expense description, for example, rent, and categories about, for example, utility, study, and this is the date about when I put the transaction into it, and the amount, how much money I spent, and this is just a note. And you can also add your transactions about the category, expense description, and all this field into it and submit it. After submitted, it will refresh your dashboard.